just like it was kind of one of those people where I was like, you see following necessary % all about like, oh, okay, dude, like seriously.
Fucking hell. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze again.
And like you're not doing anything to harm me, and you don't really give a shit. That's for all you lovers out there. They're either majority of them. We're cutting this one out. Yeah, I still kind of acceptance I'm getting. It's just hilarious. This is hilarious to me. Whole racist slurs are straight to.
Should I have an orgasm?
Should I have an orgasm?
When does it
No,
stop?
but you should.